Hey there, Tamir from Fibonacci.com. You're welcome for another weekly edition of my top stocks to watch. As like, subscribe, and without any further ado, let's see the charts. So all you need to do is sit back, relax, take notes, maybe take screenshots, or just hit the like and subscribe. Let's start with RDFN. If you follow this YouTube channel, you know that Redfin Corporation, RDFN, is on our watch list. In the past 2 weeks, we have been waiting for a break above the 295 area. Last Friday, we got this break. Very strong break, almost 20% to the upside. Now, bullish on all time frames. 1034 is the support. Long continuation, and we are heading north. 1334 and closing this gap at the 1383. Next we have ARQT, Arcutics Biotherapeutics. What do we have here? We are still bearish on the weekly, but last Friday broke up above. We got ourselves the buy signal on the weekly. Long continuation, as long as 960 is holding a support, we are heading 1031 and then 1122. BLDR, Builders First Source, from the home builders ETF sector, went up. Friday 875, bullish on all time frames. Now the 171.83 needs to hold support. Long continuation, and we are heading north to close the gap at the 197.24. MCLH broke above. First it closed this gap, broke inside the yellow zone. Now the 50% retracement is the next resistance. Above it 1837 and then 1924, as long as NCLH. Norwegian Cruise Line Holdings holding above the 16 area. We have here the start of an uptrend. You can take uptrend line like this, and as long as you're above this white trend line, the way is north. AAOI, Applied Optoelectronics, what a name. Now under this trend line started over February. It's already almost 6 months of a downtrend line holding the lower highs. Now we are waiting for a break up above, and I want to see at least 2 days closing above the 10 area. Why 2 days? Look here. Just 1 month ago, during July, price tried to break up and above, but one candle does not change the overall sentiment, and 2 days later, back below this trend line, and we are still below this trend line. Now we are bullish on all time frames. 2 days crossing above the 10.04, and we can start taking long position on this setup. Enphase Energy, ENPH. We are now at the upper border of the yellow zone. Long continuation, and this alert should be at the 124 area over here, just a break above the upper border of the yellow zone. We're next 130.60 and then 141 to the upside. Bullish on all time frames, and we can take just trend line that holds as resistance, but it's a good resistance. It's resistance for the higher highs. Breaking up and above 130.70 together with this white trend line is the next resistance. UPST closed last Friday with 5.77% to the upside. Now 37.70 is the support. We have here a very nice uptrend. You can take trend lines, and you are inside a very nice uptrend. As long as this lower red line is holding support, you are going up towards the 48, 30 and 55.80 to the upside. Bullish on all time frames on UPST. SoFi closed Friday with 5.6%. Once again, SoFi, another great example of why trend lines and Fibonacci are the ultimate roadmap for future price action. Last Friday, the high of the day, into this trend line that started over December of 2023 and into a future Fibonacci resistance. Once breaking up and above, at least 2 days closing above the 760, we can start taking long position on SoFi, bullish on all time frames, heading north to the 806. Above it, we have a gap at 860, and we know it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. 85% of all gaps will get filled. ARM Holdings, struggling with the lower border of the yellow zone. Last Friday, broke up above, closed above the 131.84, the lower border of the yellow zone, bullish on all time frames. Now the 126 is the support. We don't need anything on the chart except the FTI. One click away and you have the FTI on your chart. It gives you everything. It gives you buy signal, sell signal. It gives you the green line, green label, stop loss for long. It gives you the red line, red label, stop loss for short, and multi-time frame point of view. Bullish on all time frames that are for swing traders, of course, the weekly, the daily, the 4 hours. I like also to watch the 65 minutes before I take decision on swing. Bullish on all time frames, long continuation, 142 and 153.60 to the upside. CATX, uptrend, now at the 1575, bullish on all time frames, as long as we are above the 1430 area, long continuation towards 1790. Keep all these names on a very tight watch list. Take alerts, put alerts on the charts, same as I do, so you will not miss any potential setup. And if you don't want to miss any potential setup and you want to trade with an elite team of traders, you are more than welcome to check the links in the description below. We have the Fibonacci Traders Discord, the ultimate Discord, the only Discord with 2 trading floors. On each floor we have premium day traders, we have swing lounge, we have options room, we have crypto, special requests, and more and more and more. Just join the Fibonacci Traders Discord today and you will join an elite team of traders that makes money. As you can see, no noise, just setups for day trading, setups for swing trading, for options. We have also futures trading. And once you join the gold membership, you will get access to all these exclusive channels and to the amazing FTI. One click away and it gives you everything. Look at GNRC. First, we are bullish on all time frame. Now, breaking above the 154.72. It was a very important area of support. Became resistance. Last Friday, 4.35% to the upside. Long continuation, 161 and 169 is on the way as long as 150 is holding a support. CART, Maple Bear. Last Friday, 3.3% to the upside. 34 now is the support. Bullish on all time frames. Where next? Ask the FTI. Just ask the FTI. Next resistance, 36.54, 38, and then 40.70 to the upside. EXR, extra space storage. Very nice uptrend. All you need to do, take Fibonacci trend lines. What do we see here? Uptrend until proven otherwise. Bullish on all time frame. Now we can take the FTI in the last 21 candles, so it catches the last swing low, and this is the last swing high. For now it's the last swing high. The FTI gives us automatically everything that we need. Long continuation above Friday's highs, and we are heading north to the 184.60, 173 area. 173.80 is the support. So we have overall 30 names on this list. Make sure you subscribe, you hit the notification bell, because we're going live 2 times a day, each trading day. The pre-market 8:29 Eastern time, and the midday live market review, it's 11:59 a.m. Eastern time. Don't forget, Fibonacci Traders YouTube channel and Fibonacci Traders Discord is the only place for you if you want to make money in the stock market. Thank you very much for watching this video. I do hope you find it helpful, educational. If so, like, subscribe, check the links in the description below. Choose your path together with me to your financial freedom. Until the next video, stay safe.